Well, here we go again. Now it's raining today, so that's filled me with joy. I don't know why it makes me upset, but it's just miserable weather. It just really is. So I got this far yesterday. Today I might attempt to do a time-lapsey bit thing-mabob with the hoo-ha and whatnot. But me camera standy thing that holds my phone got a teensy-weensy little bit broken. So I will try, but it may not work. And I haven't quite worked out where I'm going to mount it as of yet. But yes, this worked beautifully. This rod, so I know that height's good. It's actually not a bad fitting piece if you want to get real technical. So it's kind of odd how it slips under. I'm never too fond of the old lapping panels because you got a brilliant place for rust to form later down the track. I mean, you can seal it and copper spray it and stuff like that, but I don't know, it's just a fine way to give it a fighting chance. But I guess that's technically an overlap and nothing happened there. That's just part and parcel, but yeah. Also, I have to make this piece. So this piece, this bit there, is actually this piece. But I decided just to redo it all because it was just like, it's just not a very nice. You wouldn't want to put that back in. It's pretty well stuffed. And somebody's been at this before. There's a piece in here, so I get the fun joy of making a piece from about here down that goes behind there, so this can butt up to a nice piece. So yeah, we'll try and do some time lapsing and see how it goes. So it's plainly obvious to most people that camera skills and technology, we're not exactly best buds. This stuff, we're just like married at the hip. Technology, no, I'm not good with cameras, I'm not good with technology. I'd probably make a great TV show if I had a crew around me making me look 10 times better than I am. But yes, I tried doing a video before. I had the music up too loud, so I stuffed it up. So here we go again. So this is just going to be me rambling in between some time lapse because it might be a longer video than normal, but yeah, whatever. So I've made this, measured that gap from the fold out, gave it that one, gave myself a bit bigger piece than I needed, stuff it in here, worked out where that fold ends, cut it off. Now I'm going to, get stabbed slightly, get like that, measure, or actually sort of texture off inside somehow, that shape, and then obviously trim it up, making sure it's going to be along here, cut that, and then fit this in, then I can, that piece in there, trim all that up, that's all pretty well. Neaten up this bit, and it should be fairly straightforward. I just didn't expect to have to replace this piece. But somebody's made a pretty good hash of it already once. So you can't leave that, you gotta cut it out and redo it. fiddling, we have a piece. It didn't actually take that long, this piece, so joys being able to make stuff yourself, eh? I think it's all about understanding the basic shapes and logically doing it. So then all I do is, there's nothing behind that, it's just cut up here, cut across here, grind out what little spot welds are left, and then snip this in there, a little bit of weld, a little bit of love, and grind it and whatnot, and Bob's your uncle. And we'll be laughing. Then we can move on to this rubbish, because then we'll have it pretty good through here. The join through there. I don't actually know how to join that. I'm thinking I might see if I can jam my spot water in there. Not counting the chickens. Don't have any chickens left. Worst case scenario, I'll just get under there and weld it, and I'll be like, ow, 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 as I weld it. And then this. Yes, once that's all made, once you've got where the piece is going to go, then it should be fairly straightforward and zip, zip, zip. It's just that simple. Alright. Hard to hear me at the moment. It is absolutely bucketing down outside, but it's amazing what you can find when you go digging. Now I've got the camera set up in a bit of an odd position so that I don't have to hold it all the time, because I am a one-man show at times. And there we go. Look at what was on the inside of that. Isn't it just wonderful? A recipe for rust. It's just been tapped over the top of it. And I don't even know what that blob of wonderfulness is, but I can tell you what, if it was there to seal, it did not work. Look at that. Yeah. I don't know if I want to do this giant video in 2 sections, or finish it off here and then do the job and then show you a wrap up at the end, but I thought I'd show some detail of what I get up to. Otherwise you just keep seeing end results, and some people want to see what's going on in the middle, but it's just so time consuming, and today it appears that the weather is going to make things very difficult. But stay tuned, I'll try and figure something out.